Alright, so number 10 says the number of prisoners in a correctional facilities is shown by in the figure by year. And so it looks like our X is years since 1990. Now that's an important idea. And our Y is the number in thousands. That's also extremely important to understand. So on my iteration of the problem, here's my two ordered pairs that they give me. And the first charge that I have is to use this information to create a linear model of the data. So I'm going to need my slope and my y-intercept. So let's find my slope. Okay, so 1,865 minus 1,053. Okay, I get 812 over 14. Let me divide that. 812 divided by 14. And I get 58 for my slope. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular point. So my slope was 58. I'm going to use 2 for my x and 1,053 for my y in order to get my b. So remember we have y equals 58x plus b. So I'm going to substitute 1,053 in for my y and 2 in for my x to get the b. So 1,053 equals 116 plus b. So I will now need to subtract that 116 from both sides. So 1,053 minus 116 gives me 937. That's my b. So my linear model for this is y equals 58x plus 937. Okay, so the slope means that the number of prisoners, well, since our slope is positive, we're going to say it increased at the rate of, we're going to say 58,000 per year. Okay, because remember that was in thousands, so it's important that we recall that with our interpretation. And it says the model predicts that there will be approximately, and then how many prisoners by the year 2011. So remember, this was the number of years since 1990. So I'm going to have to take 2011 minus 1990 to figure out what I'm going to use for my x. So 2011 minus 1990 gives me, well, not that, hold on, 2011 minus 1990 is 21. Okay, so I have y equals 58 times 21 plus 937. So on my calculator I get 2,155. But remember, this was supposed to be in thousands, so I'm going to need to multiply this by 1,000. And so that's how many prisoners that would be in this system by 2011.